And the rope, early lead is taken by Silver Glides. And early greetings moving up on the inside. It's Silver Glides by a length and a half, followed by Let Me Know on the outside. Sailor King and early greetings. Luck to win in entry number 1, Princess Sita Erin. And nearing the far turn, it is still Silver Glides by 2.5 lengths. Let Me Know running in second. And moving up on the inside is early greetings. Luck to win, Princess Sita Erin. And now the far turn, it's Silver Glides by 2.5 lengths, followed by early greetings in second. And Sailor King running in third on the outside. Let Me Know, Princess Sita Erin moving up on the inside and Luck to win. The last bend for home, it is still Silver Glides on the outside. Moving up on the inside is early greetings. The top of the stretch, Silver Glides on the outside. Early greetings moving up on the inside. Early greetings by the rail. On the outside is Silver Glide. It's early greetings, followed by Silver Glides on the outside. And Princess Sita Erin. And nearing the payoff line, still early greetings, leading the field. And finally, another horse from the Puyat stable, number 2, early greetings, Silver Glides, Princess Sita Erin. Luck to win, Sailor King, and Let Me Know.
2-4.